Grill folds to the size of a suitcase and features quick fold legs, tough wheels, and stand-up storage capability. Coleman's innovative technology offers 3 independent burners ranging from 350 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook low and slow or hot and fast, giving you the freedom to grill everything. Perfect for campground cookouts, backyard barbecues, and game day tailgates. The Coleman Road Trip Portable.
The Grill-To-Go X200. Finally, a grill that's built trail tough yet cooks foods juicy and tender with no mess, no fuss. The Grill-To-Go X200 is the go-anywhere, cook-anything grill you've been looking for. Thanks to its roadworthy, rugged construction and its latching lid, this compact grill doesn't mind getting tossed around. Forget those wimpy tabletop grills that scatter old charcoal dust everywhere. With Char-Broil's TRU-Infrared technology, this gas-powered dynamo gets searing hot in no time and is the only portable grill that promises to deliver much juicier food with no flare-ups. So get your rough and ready Grill-To-Go X200 today and start grilling anywhere.
Top Gas Grill. The Char-Broil tabletop gas grill weighs less than 10 pounds, so it easily travels to any campsite or tailgate. The folding legs secure the grill lid, and the handles are heat-resistant for ultimate portability. But don't let the size fool you. With 188 square inches cooking surface, you can grill burgers or hot dogs for a carload of friends. It's easy to fire up the grill with the Piezo push-button ignition system. So give the Char-Broil tabletop gas grill a try. It's built to accompany you on all of your grilling adventures, wherever they might.
Megamaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill. It's convenient, compact, and powerful. With a roomy 360 inches of total cooking space, you can grill up to 17 burgers at once. The main stainless steel burner fires up instantly at the press of a button, every time, which provides 11,000 BTUs of heat. The durable porcelain enameled firebox retains heat, and the smooth surfaces make cleaning a cinch. The black powder-coated lid features a precise built-in thermometer. And the sturdy lid easily locks and legs conveniently fold away in transit for your next adventure. Built for easy transport and neat and easy storage, you can take your 1-burner gas grill tailgating or wherever your grilling takes you. There's a big world out there, So pack your Megamaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill and go explore.